guys, so today is a very special day because I'm going to be starting the series on my channel where I open up mini brands from my Series 3 advent calendar. Yes, I got an advent calendar and I am so happy! I literally went to Target like about a week ago to find this, and I am so happy I found it. And honestly, it actually took me a while to find it, and I was so scared that I wouldn't find it, but I found it and I'm so happy. And I know advent calendars are for Christmas, but I'm going to be doing a countdown to Halloween because I literally cannot wait to open this thing. I just can't wait till December. I can't, okay? I can't. So I'm going to be doing a countdown to Halloween because, I mean, why not? There isn't a rule. Like, I'm not breaking the law by opening it and doing a countdown to Halloween with it. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm super excited. So today is day 1, and there's 24 minis included in this, so it's going to be 24 days. And yeah, I am so excited. So let's open it. So basically, there was tape on like the sides here. I already took it off, but now I'm just gonna pull it open. So you're just gonna pull this. Ta-da! Look how cool! And this actually has one of the exclusive minis in this is one of the minis I need for my collector's case, and it's that York one. I am so excited, so I'm definitely gonna do this in order because I have to. And also, this is so cute, like a little placemat. Maybe I can do some of my videos on here. Like, that'd be cute, right? Okay, so day 1. We're gonna be doing day 1 today. I'm gonna lay it flat so it's easier, but let's do it. Okay, what did I get? I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm closing my eyes, trust me. What is it? Please don't be a double. Oh, we got a double. Got some animal crackers, but yeah, that was day 1. Kind of sucks that I got a double on the first day, but stay tuned for day 2.